Let's take a look at the first trade we took today. We took 2, 4, 6 total trades. I'm going to go over 4 of them. I'm going to skip the 2 scratch trades we took in the middle. I'll go over the loss though we took at the end of the morning so you guys can see one of our losses we took today. First trade here on 907 on the crude. As you can see here, breaker pattern long, short-term trend is up. So we're following my trigger line here. Short-term trend is up. We break above a red level of resistance. Those are automatically located on my charts for me. Mark up my swing high. There's your breaker long. Now we saw a definite pattern of this today, guys. We saw lots of these plus 10 scratches today. And like I said earlier on this morning, it's okay to take these plus 10 scratches, but we have to be careful. If the market begins to turn against us, we've got to start looking at that because, as you can see, these little tiny winners can easily turn into a loss, and that could easily wipe us out. So it's okay to keep taking these small winners here because that's all the market gave us today. But if you notice, like we did here at 11 o'clock, 11:15, the final 2 trades of the morning started to look a little bit more hairy, right? They weren't looking as good as they were earlier this morning. We knew to be very quick to stop trading this. Okay, so 907 on crude this morning, breaker pattern long, 84.48 was the fill. We got our +4, moved that stop to entry +1, and we got taken out of +1 for 10 ticks or 100 USD. So the first trade of the morning here was a winner. We take a lot of winning trades in this room. Don't take a lot of losses, but of course they do happen. We're going to show you guys one of those a little bit later on this afternoon. 946 next up on the crude. 946 here on the crude. You can see here we got another short-term trend up. Now in this case here, this is a reversal pattern, right? We're looking up top here for a breaker long, right, around this 85.30 level. We didn't get it though. We marked up our swing low. Make sure you get below that trigger line here, and we break below that swing low for reversal off these highs at 946 on crude. 2-step reversal, 85.18, another +4, +1, or 10 ticks, or 100 USD. As you can see, price got real choppy right there. Very glad that we knew how to manage our trades, lock out that risk, lock in that profit, and we go home in the green with that. Next up here on gold, we're now going to fast forward down to 10 o'clock here on gold. We have your short-term trend down, right? Slope of that trigger line pointing down. We're going to break below this red line here, just below that 1160 level. We make our swing low. We break below that swing low. This breaker pattern short at 10 o'clock this morning on gold, 59.6 was the fill. We got our +4, move a stop down to entry -1. We got filled a kind of a lucky +2 there. 2 off at 4, 2 off at 2, that's 12 ticks or 120 USD. So you can see back-to-back-to-back winners here until, of course, the next trade we have. This is the loss we took today. And you can see, guys, this loss really wasn't that bad at all. I mean, obviously, it was a 1 tick per contract, so 4 tick loss here. And the key here was we had short-term trend moving up. Now, this, of course, a little bit late in the morning here. Right, 11:25. It was a Monday, pretty slow and sluggish. You could probably have avoided this trade. You can also see we had a flat-ish trigger line there, so it really wasn't trending very well here. 11:25 in the gold. This is a breaker pattern long. We break above this previous day's high. We make our swing high, and we break above that for your breaker pattern long. 66.1. As you guys can see here, early exit. If you follow me down to the bottom right now, you'll see we've got momentum. Right, here's your entry candle right there. Momentum for about 2 seconds was pointing up, and then it shifted and pointed back down. That's enough for us to get out of that trade early. We grabbed, of course, 66.1 was the fill, -4 ticks or -40 USD. So total them all up, guys, and most importantly here at the end of the morning, we started seeing that market really kind of deteriorate. And like I said earlier, we're okay taking these little tiny winners here as long as we keep an eye on if that market begins to slow down and deteriorate even further. We got to be careful. When I saw this small loss here at 11:30 on gold, that's when we pretty much knew, okay, now is the time to stop here because things are really flattening out. ATR began to narrow, and we're going to have a much harder time getting profit out of this market afterwards. So total them up, 28 ticks, 280 USD. Pretty good day for a Monday. Let's prep for tomorrow, Tuesday, April 13th, 2010, 8:30. We got business inventories, international trade, income, outcome, something like that. 8:30 tomorrow, 9:30 U.S. Open, and then tomorrow, 11:30, we'll do another one of those free webinars. So make sure you guys are here for that tomorrow. And then last but not least, we'll see you guys back here at 7:45 a.m. Don't miss a tick. We got webinars tomorrow, Tuesdays and Thursdays at 11:30 Eastern Time, right in the live trade room. The beginner's course goes over all your patterns, your rules, how to use our indicators, and it's developed for your free trial guests. If you want any more information about advanced lifetime membership, guys, come out and join us every day as an advanced member. That's sales@schooloftrade.com or 800-381-2084. My name is Joseph James. Hope the video helps. Had a good day in the room. We'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.